this is Melissa, 907 Crafts. Got an unboxing here. I'm playing with my camera angles here so that y'all can see, I hope. I don't think I've ever unboxed one this big. But this is from Treasure Studios Art. I can't get the box out from this box because it's boxed so well, and I don't want to tear the original box up. So I'm just going to pull it out this way. I did open it to make sure what it was. We've got the kits are in a cellophane baggie, as you can tell. Just kidding. Other end, you've got your same organza bag, Treasure Studios Art bag. I love these bags. Okay, that one's in a knot. Okay, I'm not going to be able to show that, but you get the pink tweezers, the blunt tip pink tweezers. You get a 3, 6, and 9 placer, a squishy clear pen with a boat with a funnel, and a big square of wax. And it is the darker colored wax, so it should be. And this is what we've been waiting for. I know you're probably not going to be able to see it on this video, so I will put in the image here. Put the flash on in the video. There we go. Okay, we'll get this. I'll cut out that part, maybe. If not, you'll see the struggles. Because I'm just afraid you're not going to be able to see this anyway. This image right here, you're not going to be able to see. But like I said, I will have put it in the intro and up in the video. It's heavy. Woo! Heck yeah, I got a color inventory sheet, and look what a bag of drills. Love it, love it, love it. I do get the rounds because I love them. Look at those colors, which I will show you the colors. But I come for the canvas. I'm here for the canvas. And you can't see it all. It goes this way. It's landscape. That's the legend. You do have a legend on the right side of the painting, which is very important. You have a one on the right side as well at the bottom. But there's no way you can see all of this canvas. If I turn it sideways, you still can't see it. But this is Gone for a Book by Eileen Seitz. It's 100 by 50. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to get this canvas where y'all can see me check the sticky. It's really sticky. This is a mounting film adhesive, which doesn't yellow over time. It's industrial strength. It will not crack and break, and it's acid free. I think I just said that, but you don't have to worry about your little ones or your pets being around it because it is acid free. Not saying that poured glue and double-sided tape are not acid free, but I know this canvas is acid free. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to put y'all down. Okay, you should be able to get a little glare, but I can't help that glare. Because if I have that, don't have that on, I'm not going to have anything. But I probably can bring y'all up to see the drill field. It is really clear. Never had a problem with Treasure Studios art. Their brand is up here on the top of the canvas. All the social media is here, or the contacts. Then you got your social media over here. So that's all the ways you can touch with Rachel. Got some bad news from Treasure Studio Arts. The customs are closed indefinitely and won't be back open until further notice. So anybody that wanted a custom, yeah, well, you're going to have to wait. Unfortunately, because she has to get completely caught up before she can do that. Maybe you can see the image here. This is the first colored inventory sheet I've got, which don't matter to me. And it is round. Again, all of her social media. This thing is 50 by 100. I wish you guys could see that image. And the symbols are great as always. I don't see anything that's going to trip me up. So now I'm fixing to show you the colors. A bunch of greens, different shades of greens. 3818. $8.23. Nope. Gotta have the flash on because my lighting sucks, guys. That's $9.64. $9.63. That's a really really pretty color. $9.63. Really? Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is showing up the right color. It's just that camera. 352. 603. Got a big bag of 890s. 3608. 722. 3850. 721. 720. 3849. I don't see any trash at all in these drills. I love the small drills from TSA. 3847. 3830. 3340. 605. 902. 8. 351s. 3846s. Really beautiful color. This is a really beautiful color. 970. 3607. 3712. It's like they do have a good bit of static in them. All I'll do is cut a piece of dryer sheet and put in them, and they'll be fine. $3.26. Geez, how many colors does this thing have? $37.66. $30.45. There. $9.28. $9.11. $9.21. $37.56. $38.54. And $37.50. Now I'm going to put you guys, I'm going to speed this up a little bit, and I'm going to count them to see how many we have. It's supposed to have 45 colors. So here I go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45.
So they're all here. Every one of them is here. So, y'all look forward to the color inventory sheets. Y'all asked for them. You guys got them. New boxes. Mid-November. New inner boxes. Later on down the road, probably after the first of the year, new outer boxes to match the inner boxes. So I'm going to put these up real quick. Now that I've got you down, I'm going to turn it over and see if I can't get y'all a better idea of the canvas and see the symbols on it. Because I can zoom on this camera where I couldn't on the other one. Okay. Take y'all down. That wrong way, Melissa. There we go. Even though there is a glare. There we go. Drill field is gorgeous. Even in this area. Even though that is a new symbol for me. Because I've never seen it, but I've never worked on. There's your penis one. Looks like we got all kinds of new symbols on here that I hadn't seen because I've never done one this big with this many colors. But that's... Let me see if I can pull you out a little bit and see more of this canvas. No, not gonna be able to see it all. But anyway, it's humongous. You'll have seen a couple of pictures of it by now. I'd like to thank you all for coming and watching this video. And it's late. I won't get this edited and put up till tomorrow, probably afternoon. But I have a lunch date with Dave, Diamond Painting with Dave. Diamond Painting with Diamond Dave and Amber in the Sky with Diamond, or Marie Thomas and I. So, I just want to get this put up and I'll have it edited for tomorrow. Because it takes a long time for me to edit Treasure Studio Arts videos because I do put the color name in each one of them. So, you will see that. Just want to say, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. If you'd like to see more content like this, as I am an affiliate from Treasure Studios Art, and I support Treasure Studios Art, And most of my unboxings, I'm not going to say most of them, but say half of them is Treasure Studios art because I love the brand. Hit the like button, subscribe button, hit the like button. I go lives on Friday from 4 p.m. Central Time until 6 p.m. Central Time. I start off the Friday night lineup. Billy's Diamond Painting does the afternoon lineup. I follow him a couple hours, and then it goes straight after me and to Mickey Sunshine and whoever, Wolfpack, I think, and Miss Coffee. So that's on Fridays. I'll have a special guest this Friday. It's going to be my mystery partner. We both have our mystery paintings that we ordered each other, which is, again, TSA. So I'm bringing her in to my channel, inviting her to my channel for us to be working on our mystery paintings together. This coming Friday, that's what's coming up. So I hope y'all will join me for that. I do have a giveaway going on through the month of December. I'm sorry, the month of November. If you buy a Treasure Studios art and use Nana15 as a discount code, your name goes in the pot and you have to send me the order number. I have a thread on my Facebook group. You have to send me the order number, and you will be entered. When I verify it, you will be entered into a drawing for a $25 TSA gift card. Then in the month of December, Lizzie and I will be doing collabs, which is on a Lizzie Falcon Christmas painting. So if you get, if you want to order a Christmas painting, you can use my code, Lizzie's code, and you will be entered into some giveaways. We don't know what we're giving away yet. We don't know what we're going to do on it. But we're just going to be working on it. But if you order a canvas for our Christmas collab, put in the comment section that is going to be for our Christmas collab, which starts December the 1st. And they will fast track the diamond painting, so everybody can have them ready to start on December 1st. So I'm looking forward to that with Lizzie. But during the month of January, order using Nana15 as your code. Send me your order number. I'll make a different thread for January. I'll close the one out that I've got made on the Facebook group, 907 Crafts and Dreaming of Diamonds with Drea. There is a thread there that you can put your order number in. I'll verify that you use my code, and then you'll be entered. Another $25 gift card. So there's plenty of giveaways in the next 3 months on my channel. So if y'all would like to join me, I'd love to have you. Talk to your friends, invite them. You know, the more the merrier. And we're going to do a hashtag. It's going to be hashtag Deck the Halls with TSA, I think 2020. I think that's the hashtag. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just Deck the Halls with TSA. I don't know. We hadn't decided at all, but we will be making the hashtags for you guys to join us on Instagram. Jump over on my Facebook. Put the thread in if you order a canvas. You know, in November, use Nana15. You get a chance to win a $25 gift card. And then there'll be giveaways. I'll be doing some giveaways other than the Treasure Studios art gift certificates during the collab. I've got some little things that I want to give to my subscribers that, you know, to show my appreciation for you guys' support. So I'll be doing, and Lizzie may too. I don't know. I haven't talked to her about it, but I'll be doing some independent giveaways myself from my channel. But that's about all I've got to say tonight. I'm not going to hold you up any longer because this is probably going to be 25 minutes. There are 4 things you can't get once they're gone. The word after it's said, an opportunity after it's missed, trust after it's gone, trust after it's lost, and time after it's gone. Bye, guys.